The mine-use mixer is primarily used for underground concrete mixing operations. It significantly reduces labor intensity for workers and helps achieve workforce reduction while improving operational efficiency. The mine-use mixer consists of the following components: the mixing mechanism, crossbeam, upright frame, slewing mechanism, longitudinal movement mechanism, hydraulic system, and electrical control system. Transport the mine cart filled with shotcrete material to the area beneath the spiral mixing head. Then lift and rotate the locking bracket to secure the cart's axle. Operate the control buttons to activate the transverse movement mechanism, moving the mixing head to the center of the mine cart. Then, the lifting mechanism slowly lowers the head. At this stage, the spiral mixing head gradually enters the bottom of the shotcrete material, rotates to mix it thoroughly, and the cart's moving speed can be adjusted as needed. Simultaneously, operate the control buttons to move the mixing head sideways. Adjusting the mixing position, lift the mixing head slightly to avoid collision with the lower edges on both sides of the cart. During the mixing process, use the ball valve to control water flow, completing the humidification and dust suppression treatment of the shotcrete material.